I tell a nigga don't dick ride, don't back ride, nigga turn down. I switch this side, mommy boot it up, shake it down and gobble gobble up. Put my money up, slide in the belly trucker, the rape trucker. Your bestie's a dick sucker, a big double. Assalamu alaikum, you big hater, you nothing but a hater, cloud chaser. Now we catch him at the chicken spot, up a couple chops, rock that nigga with 100 shots. They didn't hit that nigga titty box. Talking about niggas always wanna chase clout. Bitch, I ain't clout. Tell them get up on my face now. Fuck it. Are you dumb? Stupid or dumb? Huh? Play me like a dummy, like bitch. Are you dumb? Are you dumb? Stupid or dumb? Huh? Yeah, you got some money, but you still fucking on stupid. Listen, when I talk, you better listen. We can make them dance bachata, slide over, do the cha cha. Papa, make nigga go adios. Dímelo, mami, freca, you nasty, flame up. Light it, they see me get excited. Two-step, spin around, slow flop, pilot. They say, been high, way before coronavirus. Nigga, who did that? Nigga, who did what? Nigga, that's my shit. I tell a nigga, don't dick ride, don't blink ride. Leave it to the double thick thighs, swing sisters. Drop it down and wobble up. Mommy boot it up, shake it down and gobble up. Put my money up, slide in the belly trucker. The rape trucker, your bestie is a dick sucker. A big double, assalamu alaikum, you big hater. You nothing but a hater. Cloud chaser, you're mad, I'm back. Big mad, he's mad, she's mad. Big fat, ha ha, don't care, stay mad. Bitch, I'm laughing cause you big mad. See it in your face, cry, baby, but you big sad. Niggas sweet, about me, got me 20, but you big sad. Let me holler at it, home to a big bag. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do?
Yeah!
Come for you. When you were 8 and you had bad traits, you go to school and learn the golden rule. So why are you acting like a bloody fool? If you
You must get cool!
what you gonna do?
Bruh! We broke the record, what happened?
What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? You chuck it on that one, you chuck it on.
That's a million. Y'all could never. That's 4. Y'all got 1. Y'all wouldn't even get 1.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Yo, what's the vibes? What's the vibes? Huh? What's the vibes?
Y'all ain't getting money, nigga.
Y'all ain't getting money.
I be running girls.
Talking hot shit.
I do my own stunts, Jackie Chan with it. I do my own stunts, Jackie Chan.
That's no flash. That's the front camera. That's the front camera.
I do my own stunts.
What happened? Y'all counting me out?
Bitch, we in the
Nah.
city on that hot shit.
Yo, y'all watch the video?
On that hot shit.
Y'all ain't getting money, nigga. Stop this. I be running glow, talking hot shit.
I do my own stunts, Jackie Chan with it. I do my own stunts, Jackie Chan with it. I do my own stunts, Jackie Chan.
Hear this, hear this, hear this. I do my own shit. I don't need 50 niggas to roll with. Fuck shit. I'm on my dolly, I'm on my bullshit. Fuck all them niggas I used to run with. But that's that old shit. Real nigga, cause you quick to pull a fucking trigger. I fad niggas, definition of a real nigga. Quick to fucking hate nigga. Bitch nigga, definition of a bitch nigga. Now I'm wildin'. Yo, play Goober. Yo, Rachel. While I play Goober, hold on. Yo, Rachel. Come take these chains off. These shit's heavy as fuck. Right here. Come take this off real quick. I'm gonna get back to this. Hold on. Let me take all this jewelry off. I don't give my old jewelry back to get new jewelry. This is a $500,000. $500,000. Look at the diamonds in them teeth. And nobody got this watch. Well, I think like 2 people got it, but if you don't got this watch, we can't beef. Me and you are not in the same bracket at all. If you don't got this watch right here, this watch right here, this watch, over $500,000, why we can't beef? I broke the YouTube. I'm at 5 million views in 1 hour. Y'all can't even get 100,000 views. Listen. We can't beef. There's no beef. I'm the king. Y'all know this. Listen. You know the legendary shit that I be talking about? You know why people so mad? Because they thought it was over for me. They counted me out. Oh, you ratted, it's over for you. Y'all could never cooperate with the government and come back. Y'all could never do that. I'm a living legend at the age of 24 years old. You hear me? Look at these 1.6 million. Shout out to Tory, shout out to Drake, shout out to Bad Bunny. Y'all niggas can never. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Look at this. 1.6 million. 1.6 million. We can't beef. Me and y'all not the same. Why I keep hearing King of New York, King of New York. Y'all not the kings of New York. Look at the numbers. Why he winning right now, yo? Yo, how y'all let that kid rat, right? How y'all let him rat and come home to still get more numbers than us, break all the records? Why y'all can't stand it or something? Y'all can't stand it. Y'all can't, listen, you live your whole life, right? You live your whole life trying to be a real nigga. And this is me, this is real Danny shit. Fuck 6ix9ine, right? This is some Daniel Hernandez shit. You live your whole life trying to be a real nigga, trying to be a stand-up tall, loyal guy. To try to shit on a kid like me, to be like, yo, fuck that, he's a rat, he's a rat, he's a rat, he's a rat. To be like, yo, he ratted. To then a rat like me to come home and still do more numbers than you, I would be mad too. I would be mad too. If a rat came home and did more numbers than me, I would be mad too. I would. I promise you I would be mad. If a rat came home to, like, the way I came home and did more numbers than me, I would be mad. You have every reason to be mad. Every reason. Because no matter how much dirt y'all throw on my name, and I've seen everything. Everybody want to be quiet now. For 2 years, y'all made fun of me. Y'all done made memes of me. Y'all done threw my name in the dirt. Yo, rat, bitch, fucking. Y'all didn't go through what I went through. And I still came home, and I'm a legend at the age of 24 years old because I came home and a rat is doing more numbers than you. I would be mad too. I would. I wouldn't be able to sleep at night. A real nigga wouldn't be able to sleep at night. I would go home sleeping like, why is this kid doing better than me? I wouldn't be able to sleep. I don't blame you, nigga. I don't blame you. I would be mad too. I would be mad. If a nigga ratted and I spend my whole life trying to be a real nigga, I'd be mad too. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Like, I'm genuinely sorry. And another thing I want to address. For the King of New York shit, let's cut that out. Little boy, sit down. If you don't got this watch, I'm not beefing with anybody from New York if you don't got this watch. If you don't got this watch right here, you a little boy to me. I'll kiss you on your forehead. You a little boy. Sit down. King's home. It's over. It's over. Y'all got, and I get it. If you got one Richard Mille, nigga, this all mine, nigga. No, I'm fronting, I'm fucking, get whatever y'all rappers do, nigga, it's mine, nigga. All 4 cars, Lamborghini Aventador, Wraith, McLaren, G-Wagon. You name it, nigga, all mine, all bought out. Y'all can't fuck with me. Y'all can't compete with me, and I'm gonna let y'all niggas know that. But I'm sorry, and now let me break it down. I'm sorry. I want to say that I'm sorry to my fans because, you know what? It wasn't worth it. It wasn't. And I'm gonna tell you what. If there is a street code, right? If there is a street code and there's something so-called as loyalty and everything and no snitching and all of that, I get it, right? But where was the loyalty when you was sleeping with my baby mother? Where was the loyalty when you was caught on the wiretap trying to kill me? Where was the loyalty when you tried to kidnap my mother? Where was the loyalty when you was stealing millions of dollars from me? Where was that? So who broke it first? I get it. Don't fight fire with fire. I'm sorry. But what did I do wrong? Be loyal to niggas that's fucking my baby moms? Be loyal to niggas that kidnap me? beat the shit out of me on video and everything, I'm supposed to be loyal to that? No, you know what? You know what it is? Y'all don't want to accept the fact that those is all true facts. Y'all don't want to y'all understand why I snitch. Y'all understand. Y'all don't want to understand. It's not that y'all don't understand. Y'all don't want to understand. Y'all don't want to understand that, damn, this kid really was he moved their families out of poverty. He paid for schools for all of the members, whatever, but he snitched on them. Why? Were they loyal to me? Cause when I met son, he was sleeping on the rug. I give him money. Yo, look, listen, I'm a rainbow Mexican hair kid. I rap. I'm not about that gang shit, but listen, I know how to get us out. You wasn't loyal to me, whether, but y'all understand. Let's just, y'all understand, and I know you understand. Y'all don't want to understand. All right, let me tell you. Before I got locked up, right? Before I got locked up, fuck that rainbow hair nigga. Fuck Tekashi 6ix9ine. Fuck him. Fuck that rainbow hair kid. Fuck him. Fuck that rainbow hair kid. Y'all didn't really have a reason to dislike me just because I screamed in raps and I got rainbow hair. That was y'all reason, right? Or he's mad, loud. That was y'all reason. But then now y'all got a reason. So of course the go-to is, oh, he snitched. He's a rat. He's a rat. So that's y'all go-to, which I understand and I don't blame y'all. I can't blame y'all. Listen, I'm sorry. I'm sorry to my fans because they don't deserve that. My family, my mother, my family don't deserve that. And I'm sorry. But y'all not gonna break me down like if I did something wrong. Listen, I snitched. I ratted. But who was I supposed to be loyal to? If you can't be loyal to me out here in the free world, and you fucking my baby mom, and while I'm out on tour making money for all of us, you back at home sleep with my baby mom, then I get kidnapped, then you try to kill me? If you can't be loyal to me out here in the free world, what makes you think if I would have held it down, you wouldn't violate me in the prison? Stab me up, poke me up in my neck. What? I'm not gonna lose my life over a no hater, over no, yo, you did the wrong. Nah, y'all understand it. Y'all don't want to understand it. Y'all don't want to understand it. But anyway, look, I'm gonna put it like this, right? I love you guys. Thank you for helping me come back as strong as possible. I want to shout out my lawyer, Lance Lazaro. I want to shout out Michael Longier, Jacob Warren. I want to say thank you to, the judge for, allowing me to come home to my family, to let me celebrate a birthday out here with my family, and I appreciate that. As much as you guys want to pay me out to be I appreciate every little thing, and I didn't do nothing wrong. Yes, I didn't need all of that beef. I didn't need that. Look, we everybody's saying here with 2 million viewers, right? I didn't need that. I'm the biggest artist in the fucking world. The numbers, men lie, women lie, numbers don't. Look at your viewers. Look up. Just look up. 2 million. Numbers don't lie. But listen, I want to get back on live. I want everybody on this live. Listen, the YouTube crash. I'm going to get back on live. We already cracked 2 million. I'm going to get back on live. Go watch Gooba right now. Go watch Gooba. Everybody go on YouTube and watch Gooba. Gooba 6ix9ine. Go ahead. I love you guys.